Hey guys, we're going to Disney next week, and so I wanted to share a few tips and tricks on how I got my family of six, yes, six, into one suitcase and two carry-ons. Let's get to it. So I'm talented, but not that talented. So one of our carry-ons is actually my 7-year-old's suitcase, and this has all of his clothes for the week in it. And I could have fit all of his stuff in our suitcase realistically, but I wanted to do this because then we have a little bit of wiggle room if we need to add something or if we buy souvenirs and stuff like that. However, I also have another suitcase that we were planning on taking for that reason in particular, but I'm not sure if I want to bring it yet because I don't want to pay $55 extra for a second suitcase. And in this video, I'm not going to show our park bags yet. I think I'm going to make a separate video of like tips and tricks for your Disney park bag, just because I feel like that is an extensive video in itself. Our twins' bedroom is like ground zero for all of our stuff because it's basically just a playroom right now. So don't mind the mess. So this is our suitcase. One big large suitcase, got it at TJ Maxx, love it. And let me show you what's in it. Ah. So inside we have my clothes, the twin 1-year-olds, and my husband's and my 10-year-olds. And I still have room to put more stuff here if I wanted to. And I can even put more stuff on this side and zip it up, which we have this suitcase that I was also going to take. Don't mind the mess, this is all of our park bag stuff. But this suitcase, which I was going to take, and it has all of our park accessories. So I don't know what I'm going to do there yet. So as you can see, these things are literally so convenient. Probably my favorite thing. You just unbuckle them and then you just hang these up in the bathroom area at your resort and you're ready to go. I don't have to plan outfits. I don't have to search around, oh, what is this for this day? It's all right here. I have 2 outfits in here for our arrival day, 2 outfits in here for our Magic Kingdom day, 2 outfits for our Epcot day. And whenever I say 2 outfits, I mean 4, 2 for each twin. So there's 4 outfits in each of these. And then 4 outfits for our Animal Kingdom day, Resort day, and we don't know what we're doing. Up here, I have extra room for my clothes I've been putting because mine was pretty packed and my clothes are bigger and I needed somewhere to put them. And then down here I have a set of warm clothes, some bows, some extra outfits, and then bathing suits and pajamas. This one's for my 10-year-old and my husband, so there's about 8 to 10 outfits for my 10-year-old up here. It has underwear, shorts, shirts, and then we have about 4 extra shirts, 4 extra shorts, 2 pairs of pajamas, and then he'll probably wear some shorts and pajamas to bed some nights. And then we're also going to do laundry while we're there. This is for my husband's tank tops and shorts, which we have yet to pack. And then this one has probably about 10 to 15 t-shirts of his, and then you've seen how that one fits in the suitcase. I'm not going to do mine. Mine was the white one, but that's just because I worked really hard to get it zipped because it's so packed full. But mine's essentially just like this, and it has 3, and it's just a little bit smaller than this. And I put like my tank tops and shorts up here, all my dresses because I plan to wear a lot of Halara dresses. And then it has my pajamas, dresses, and like dinner outfits, extra clothes, stuff like that, all in the bottom. And you can kind of see there some of my dresses and stuff, but yeah, she's folded up nice and compact. I'm not messing with her. And then I have this cute little contraption for my underwear, socks, and bras. I'm not going to show you that because, yeah, those are personal items, but yeah, so that's what it looks like whenever it's hung up, and it'll hang up in the resort bathroom area just like that. So convenient. Everything's done and ready, and future me doesn't have to worry about anything. And so that's how I fit our family of 6 into one suitcase and one carry-on. And I'm not going to count the 2 bags because those are going to be our park bags and our carry-ons just for like a diaper bag and stuff like that. So follow along for more tips and tricks, and I will see you in the next video.